What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to design a clothing brand website, or in other words, clothing brand store or e-commerce store on Shopify. So Shopify is a great platform, or one of the best platforms, if you want to build your online store and sell your products. So in this video I'm going to take you through the steps of designing or customizing your Shopify store for a clothing brand. So let's go through the basics first. First, of course, you need to be signed in to your Shopify store. If you don't have an account, you can go ahead and sign up. It's pretty easy and straightforward process. Now, once you've signed up, I highly recommend buying a paid plan. That way you can maintain your Shopify store for longer and be able to access all the professional tools that Shopify has to offer. Now, first of all, of course, you need to be designing if you want to create a clothing brand. Of course, if you do have, of course, a clothing brand and an identity, a logo, a design, some designs for your t-shirts, or you do already have a provider, or you do print your own apparel, that's totally fine. However, if you are already starting, you need to create a couple of things prior to creating or posting your products on Shopify or start selling on Shopify. One of them is designing a logo or a brand identity. And for that, I highly recommend a website like Canva, which has lots of great tools to create virtually anything from logos, and you can even create your clothing designs that will be printed on your clothes on Canva itself. So on Canva, go ahead and type in logo. Okay, and you will be redirected to tens of thousands of templates to choose from, and here you can further filter by results, so like fashion logo or clothing brand logo, and you can select anyone that you like and start customizing it to your liking. And then if you want to start a business for print on demand, or you don't have a large number of physical products and you want to go product by product, there is absolutely great website that's called Printify that you can upload your designs on, and they will print it on your clothes right when you get an order, so you don't have to have a big inventory of clothing or a big stock. They will print your product once you get an order, and they will ship it to your customer as well. Now, these are a couple of things. If you do not have a large business and you're just starting out and you want to use or depend on the print on demand option. So let's close these windows, and now I'll show you how to customize your online store itself. Now here on Shopify, I've added, of course you need to add products, so I've added in my products here, you can see a test product, basic hoodie as a clothing item. Now to customize your store, just go to online store here and click on it. And on this page, you can basically select your theme. So you have lots of great free themes. However, for a clothing brand, I highly recommend the Spotlight theme because basically you can showcase many products on your homepage, and that's a great thing for a fashion or a clothing brand. Of course, you cannot go wrong also with the Dawn or the Refresh theme, and you can browse the other themes, free themes, or paid if you want to pay for a more professional theme. You can go ahead and do so. So for me, I'll just select the Spotlight. I'll just click on Add here, and it'll be installing. You can see that I already installed it prior. I have a copy installed on my store. However, if it's your first time, you can go ahead and install the Spotlight theme. It might take a few a minute or two, or a few minutes to install, depending of course on the theme, and it's now added. Now you can go ahead and customize it, or click on publish to make it your default theme or your current theme. So I'll publish it now, right now. Okay, it's password protected, no problems. Now it says that the Spotlight is the current theme. And now you can go ahead and click on customize the theme, or you can just view your store to see how it'll look like. So if I click here on view store, it'll open the store up in a new tab. And this is like basically the Spotlight theme. I have only 3 products, so that's all it has to showcase. But if you have more products, it'll showcase more of them. Now let's close this preview and let's go ahead to customize. Now in the customization options, here you can see how it will look like on a desktop, on a mobile phone, or a full screen website. And here let's go back to the desktop. Now let's go ahead and you can customize all the elements. Let's customize the header to add our logo. So if we click on the header, we can see the logo placement here. Of course, it doesn't have a logo right now. It says only my store because we haven't added a logo. Now to add a logo, you simply go here to the theme settings and add your logo. So select image as your logo. I'll just select it here. And if you uploaded image prior to this, you'll have them here. However, to add an image from your computer, just click on add image. And I'll just go with this logo that I created earlier for a past project. Let's pretend this is the logo for my clothing brand. Open it here. It'll upload, and it's now uploaded. Let's click on done, and it'll show up here on our website in just a second. As you see here, it's uploaded, and we can control the logo, desktop logo width here. It'll update here. As you can see, it's bigger. And you can also select an image, like a background image, background colors, and so on. And here you can edit the color schemes. So let's go back. Let's add this one, for example. Now the background color, you can change it. For the sake of this video, let's make it like this bright green. The background gradient, you can choose a gradient. So let's okay, make it like a gradient from the top to the bottom. Okay, you can also control the direction. So let's make it diagonally, and from a blue, dark blue color to white. Let's make it white so that you can see the gradient. So it goes from white to blue. And you can edit the text color. Let's make the text color, for example, red. And the solid button, let's make it blue as well. And you can edit all the elements of the colors for your theme. And now let's go ahead and edit the font. So go to typography, and you can edit the font size scale here to increase the font size. As you can see, the font increased size, and you can go ahead and change the font. Let's add this one, for example, the mono font, and it'll be updated here really quickly. And you can go ahead and select the font, and you can select the font size scale, and here you can edit the layout, the animations, if you have animations on your website, and so much more. And once you are happy with all your settings, just click on save, and your store will be updated. Of course, editing the colors and the logo and everything will be like depending on your settings, and of course on your brand identity and your identity colors. So that is how easy it is to quickly customize your online store or Shopify store for a clothing brand.